When writing papers that involve citing materials and creating bibliographies, Zotero can help you with both of those tasks. One method of adding things is to create quick citations from items in your library and paste them into a document. The other method is a more integrated method that will work with your word processor. This video is going to show you how that works. In order to do this, you'll need to download the word processor plugin to work with Zotero. Click on Download Now at Zotero.org, page down, and locate the link to the plugins for Microsoft Word and OpenOffice. From here, you'll page down and locate the plugins for the most recent version of Zotero, or another version if you have that installed. Then, page down again, locate the word processor you're using, Microsoft Word or OpenOffice, your operating system, and follow the instructions there. For Windows, you simply install one file and then restart Zotero in Word. On the Mac, you'll want to install two files, the Python ext and the Word for Mac plugin for Zotero. After installing these items, you're ready to start working with a document. You'll need to have Firefox open to start working with your Word document. But now, go to a word processing document and let's add some citations and a bibliography. Here I have a short paragraph that I want to add citations to. I'm going to go in, indicate where I want a citation, and then using the Zotero menu in my word processor, it's located in a slightly different place depending on what word processor you're using. In Mac, it's under this little sort of squiggly thing, which is a script icon. On the PC, there will be a tab in your word processor for add-ins, and the icons for doing this will be there. Go down to the Zotero options and say Add Citation. I'll be prompted to select the format, and in this case, let's do Chicago Manual of Style full note with bibliography. I can choose if I want footnotes or endnotes. I'm going to do footnotes, and I'm going to say OK. I now am prompted to add the item I want, so research paper. If I was citing a page, I could enter that as well, down here in the lower right corner. I'm going to say all right. Let's go in and add one on the peer review process, the Cohen article. Zotero, add citation, Cohen. Again, I could add pages. That's added. And one to the Martin article. Zotero menu, add citation, select item, and again, I could add specific page numbers. Okay, now I have 3 footnotes. If I page down, I can see those at the bottom of my page. And I'm going to go and page down farther, and I'm going to add a bibliography now. And what Zotero will do is it will create a bibliography in bibliography format for each of the items that I've already added to this paper. So I will go now up to the Zotero menu, say Zotero, and say Add Bibliography. And here I have the 3 items now formatted as they would be for a bibliography. When you're working with Zotero in this way, you actually have a live connection between your Word document and your Zotero library. If you do things like edit a citation, you'll want to do that using Zotero and then update the document rather than doing it straight on the word processing. So you would go into Zotero, edit a citation, and that would update it. You can also go in, if you like, prior to setting up the document and set document preferences and set that for the whole document before you start working. You'll find that using Zotero for this process is fast and pretty easy when you're working on a long paper. You will, however, want to double check your bibliography and make sure that everything is in fact formatted according to the style you want. Occasionally there's small glitches in your data.